Hello friends, I am Sudipto and today I am going to show you how you can install Dev C++ for coding in C language and how you can start programming with it. So simply you have to go to Chrome browser or any search engine you like and then type Dev C++ in the search bar and enter. Then you have to click the first link in the web page and you will redirect to a page where you can see the download button and click on it and your download will start shortly. You can see my download has been started. Wait few minutes. The size is 48.1 MB. You can see here, you can see my download has been completed. Now you have to go to the file explorer or this PC of your system and find Dev C++ file in download section and double click on it. You can see that your setup will loading. After the loading is completed, you have to select your language. So I am selecting English and click on OK and then click on I agree and then next and then install. You can also browse the installation file path. I will recommend leave it as it is by default and click on install. It will take few minutes. You have to wait. After the installation will complete, you can finish it with the checkbox selecting or deselect the checkbox. If you select the checkbox, after click on finish, the Dev C will run automatically on your system. Here I leave it the checkbox with select position as by default and then click on finish. After that, you can see that the dialog box, you can select your language also. I am selecting English original and then click on next and then again click on next and then click on OK. Your Dev C++ software will start running on your system. And now at the corner of the left side you can see a button like white page. Click on it to get a new page. Or you can also press Ctrl with N key from your keyboard. A new page will open. After that you will start to write program. In next video I will show you how to write code of C language in Dev C++. Be connected with me and my channel. If you like my videos, make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share my videos with your friends who needs the course of C language. If you have any doubts, comment below. Thank you.